Hi guys, Mab here. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome. My name is Mab and I do anything and everything DIY. So if that's your thing, do not forget to smash the subscribe button and turn on your notification bell so you will be the first to know the moment I upload a new video. And for today's video, we will be doing a Son Goku custom denim jacket. And if you'd like to see how that goes, then keep on watching.
In my lane fast, call it high speed. I've been working hard, yeah, I've been working
On this project, we only have the highlight, the midtone, and the shadow, and I'm gonna be starting off with the midtone on the shirt. And onto the background, I'm doing a really light yellow orange. I want it to be really distinct from the orange on his shirt. Make sure to dry it out after each layer. Don't forget the edges.
I just wanna be famous, but I don't want that cheap fame. No, I'm not that vain. I just wanna be greatness.
Now off to our blues. I'm starting off with the lightest color on this one, and I'm gonna call it a royal blue. Correct me if I'm wrong. And for our midtone, I'm gonna be using a navy blue.
I'm going off every chance I get. I don't really take a loss, well, I'll admit. That's why I'll make it to the top, yeah, I commit. And no, I'm never getting lost, I get after it. Investing in my own stock, cause it's faster than any crypto hits go, let me spend everything.
Then for our shadows, I'm gonna just call it a midnight blue. Let me know if I'm wrong.
Forget it, I'll take a fat loss just to learn all that's in it. I'm taking snapshots, learning how to fall and get it. I'm getting back up, always stand tall, don't sweat it. I never back up, I don't miss a thing, I'll regret it. I'm always learning, you could call me academic. I'm always working, never been apathetic. That energy is like a poison, needs some antiseptic.
Onto the skin, I'm just using a regular ball pen to run over all the details and outlines on his face, chest, neck, and arms, and his hands too, because I'll be running this over with flat white and then skin tone to basically clean up all the pencil marks. And for the shadows, I'm just using Angelus dark brown.
I wanna be the best in the game, invest in my name. Check no restraints, I'm obsessed with the pain. I ingest, I retain, assess and I change. Possessed by the thought I'll be free one day from society's restraints. Money, clout and fame, mud, disease, a plague. We all love to hate, have to play the game, have to make a name. All our insecurities are on display. This is war with the enemy, think that it was meant to be. Living in a time where disease is on every screen. I won't let them fester me, I know most are festering. Negativity is a plague for the mentally weak. No mercy, all I got is working. Never stop searching, never quench the thirsty. I'm toxic and psychotic, with this logic you can't stop it. It's been chronic since I was a boy, so neurotic and chaotic. Go! To last with the webs I'm weaving, I could change the past with all I'm achieving. Got my foot on gas, never stop competing. If you break like glass, then this life's gonna eat 'em. Make mistakes I just wanna be iconic. Sipping on a gin and tonic, got me going off when I'm on this topic, yeah. If I ever play, I want it. You know that I'm always honest. Stay away from those who are toxic. Keep them out your face, no way, you don't want them, yeah. Don't try to drain my energy. The enemy is everything. It's mentally, unhealthily, spreading like a rare disease. But I won't let it get to me. I don't need your therapy. I can leave a legacy of leading by intensity. Come on, we can fight this. Freedom is priceless. Spread just like a virus. Living in a crisis. Do you feel courageous? Do you seek greatness? Trust me, you can take it. Go on and take your aim. Yeah. Built to last with the webs I'm weaving. I could change the past with all I'm achieving. Got my
For the highlight on his shirt, we need a shade in between that yellow-orange background and that orange shirt. So I just mixed up yellow, orange, and white. Now off to his hair. It's starting to come together. Now for the mid-tone on his hair, I'm just using a medium gray. Onto the shadow, I'm just using black. Now off to Goku's kanji, which means aware, awake, enlightenment, and wisdom, according to Google. And for the last part, outlines. We're gonna be dealing with all the blacks
I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign. I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign. I wanna be the greatest. Everybody on the fake shit. I look around and feel like everybody is the fakest. I make this every day and I'm impatient, hoping one day I blow up from the basement. Statement, the top is so vacant. I don't hear shit that I think is amazing. Waiting for my day when I'm playing sold out shows for 1,000 faces. Hey, give me that crown, get in my way and to be put down. It ain't your place, all this my town. If I want that shit, then I'll get it right now. I'm losing it, the noose it fits, I'm losing shit.
And there you have it. We're all good. Thank you so much for watching the video. I really hope that you appreciate that. And if you did like the video, enjoyed it, or at least learned something from it, please do not forget to hit on the like button, subscribe to my channel, and turn your notification bell so you will be the first to know the moment I upload a new video. And as always, if you have any comments, questions on what we did, or suggestions, please feel free to put them all down below or hit me up on Instagram at it's me, MavMav. You now have a good one. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you so much again for watching. Take care. Bye-bye.